we go on. Still our quest to spot a marble or two today. And this is quite nice, was quite nice. Somebody stepping on a dragon. Must be a small religious child. Nice. Well, nice. It's a shame, it's only a piece. This, ooh, that's nice. Ooh. There's no marble. Shall I throw it back? I don't think so. That's nice. Great. Another loose stone, glass. It's remarkable. I found a couple over the years here, and I can't use something. That's a heartbreaker. Ay. Ah. Okay. Well, can't take this one. It's a bone handle, probably. Bone or wood, handle of table knife. Take it. And maybe one day reunite it with a blade. And that. Yeah, some lead dop, a wine bottle. Not interesting to me, but take the lead with me. Just from the lid of a tobacco pot, Westerwald, Germany. Broken. Yeah, broken. That's a shame. Cork top. Agree? You better. Cork is still in there. Still think it's something. That's a very tiny tile. Glass. Love that one. Nice button. So where are the marbles? You tell me. So we go down to the water line. For the water will be low today. I know it. I hope the tides know it. That would be nice. See here, a small white button and a Gruyere pipe, wooden pipe. That's a nice one. Won't take it though. I'll go for the clay pipes. Half an hour. Then the water will be at the lowest point. What is this bluish here? Okay, can I have a look? Do you mind? Okay. Yeah. Well, that's how it works. Your name is on it, you'll find it. If not, bad luck. Try again. Where are the marbles? As long as I keep finding these, I know I haven't seen this ground recently. Same thing with the buttons. As long as these are around, there may be other things too that I did not spot already. That's a shame. Green button. Very plain, but we'll take it. Some broken, yeah, probably a broken bead. That's a pity. This very heavy. Some part of the machine, some engine. So. That would be something, but it's a little bit chipped, so I leave it. Always fascinating. What is it? I don't know. Some spout? Weird. That's the button. No. Oh yeah. Ooh. See there? An army button. With the lion. Love it. So good stuff still around. Maybe if I start looking for buttons, I will find me a dozen marbles. What do you know? What do you think? Is that a good idea? No, maybe. See here. Lovely. First one. Second one. Just center, probably some dwarf-like center figurine. This device, a Yeah, would be a terrific project for some very crafted YouTuber. Restoring that little thing in a couple of seconds. That's great. Green glass. The green glass from home. Isn't that a song? Safety pin. I'll leave it. Enough of these. Not really. What's here underneath? Just a can. Oh, there. Just a can. That's a nice tile there. See? It's a good one. Leave it for now. Much weight in my back already. Okay, we go on. Spotted a couple of lead seals and marble. How about that? Can you see it? Must be a marble. Yeah, from a cod bottle. Seals. Good one. Customs. Some I don't know. Sliver of lead. Some brass. So this is all newly exposed. Newly washed. There could be a cold ring around, or maybe even a nice marble. Never know. It's the trick of mudlarking. Lead from a car battery. Sliver of molten lead. Not my thing. Take it anyway. Around the thingy. Nope. Pencil. So water is now at the lowest point, and you know what, with all this rain, it isn't really low. That's a bit shame. When it will be low, you hear that? That's the tide returning. When it will be low, very low, it will be at night. So, and you may think, well, mudbagger, why don't you go at night, take a light, a black light, and find good stuff, show us around. Well, I'm not gonna do that. The animals that live here need some rest. That's one. It's dangerous to be here, and who can you turn to at night? So it's better, and of course maybe people see a light moving here, are anxious and call the police. Something weird is going on. Maybe somebody is looking for a bag of drugs. It's not for me. It's great to do this. Absolutely. That's an old old handle. Only a handle. So I stick to the dice, and when the tides are much lower at night, let it be. Ooh, you see what I see. Some waves are coming, but this one is for me. Step up for the waves. Very tiny. Only a red shard. I will follow. Another one. Nice. So plain, so green, but I like it. Then pork. Ooh, only a piece. Well, maybe can use it for the project. Is the project not finished yet? Nope, not at all. This, yeah, nice. Some pen handle, I think so. Glass, no, more likely copper. So it's a good piece. I smell a marble. Where is it? Stopper, there's a name. Porcelain stopper. whoa, whoa. Kom eens even voor een lamp. Just a small piece. Red. Take it. Another vulcanite stopper. Yeah. It's nameless, so I leave it. First of all, the scrap metals. Well, I wonder somebody can use it. I really don't know, but scrap metals and everything I cannot use. Here is also something in for the crafter, but you know it, scrap metals, take these every time.
Stop it.
The buttons, all kind of buttons, military buttons, that's the lion of course. Zipper buttons, glass, bone, mother of pearl, it's all there, porcelain of course. So here, stoppers and other material, insulators. This may be a piece of Roman mosaic with these fake stones, it's marble. Some pedestal, porcelain. Piece of a flower pot, terracotta, but beautiful shaped. Small tiles. This Belgium statue. Never find one intact. It's okay, all great stuff. Ja, gaan we door. So, cutlery. This mystery object. It says 5 on the inside, and I think it's got something to do with boating. We find out. In English, Sheffield knife blade in good condition. Here is the name of Arnouds, Antwerp. Some handle, a drawer handle, a brass fork, really nothing to it, but maybe there's something on it. A peeling knife I brought, but this is really too far gone, so shall return it. The tatting shuttle. Thank you. Some webbing. A knife handle I picked up, and maybe I can place it on this blade I showed you. Small chain, nice. More webbing. Small teaspoon. Isn't it lovely? Next, pencils and parts of glasses. And I wonder what this was and why somebody thought it necessary to bend it. But, well, that's a pity. I had this lead seal, 1944. That's nice, with a date you can actually see. Closed lipstick for cleaning. That will be a very nice project to clean. Another watch. Some pin. That's no pin anymore. Injection needles, and herein also some kind of a homemade clothing hook. So it looks very simple, and it is, but it's a good piece. Then I have the coins. Well, oh yeah, that's the old George. Very happy with that one, good condition. Some coins from Holland, from Belgium, from France, same as always. This pottery, I think it's a candle holder, it could be quite old. It's a nice piece. Sponseware, is this really sponseware? I hope somebody can tell me. Same plate, same image. Beautiful cut glass. This is some kind of a pin, and these are little shaped beads. Very nice. More beads, and this pink like glass. Very nice. We go on. Clay pipe to blow bubbles. Some curtain hooks. And this strange shoe. It's now on a short. What is it? It has the shape of a shoe, but what was it used for? I don't know. The marbles, small bottles. Won't you love a bottle like that, all frosted? Some marbles I took home with me. Very special find is this. This must be some brain coral from the Jura period, and it's half black now, half brown. It will be grey. Let the sunlight clean it, and I'll let you know some other time. Yep.